pretty cool at Mount Baker, eh? A lot of icy stuff on there.
Yeah.
All starting to slough down.
Worship 413, descend flight level 230.
Flight level 230, WestJet 413. Good morning, Vancouver, United 545. We're out of 7700 for 16,000.
545, Vancouver Center, good morning. Fly heading 100, climb flight level 280.
100 heading and 280 on the altitude, United 545.
545, roger.
Vancouver, good morning. It's Charlie 924 with you out of 384 for 260.
Charlie 924, Vancouver Center, good morning. And we're landing on the 8 seat Tango.
And we have Tango, Charlie 924.
United 545, speed 280 knots or greater when you can.
Okay, 280 or greater when able, United.